How to create new lists in Freshsales. So first, go to your account. Next is just choose the module that you want to add a list to. So let's say I'm going to add a list to deals. Click on this one. Next is here you just need to click on this plus icon here and then click on add new view. Okay. Once you're here, you just need to select your filters. So let's say I'm going to select new and then qualification, and then here you just need to select your pipeline as well. So I'm just going to select default and then click on apply. So if you want to add other filters as well, you can just click on show more here as well. Okay, now click on apply. Okay, now once this is done, you can just close this and then you can just click on settings here, and then if you want, let's just click on customize deal cards, and then here as you can see there are fields that aren't shown. So if you want to show other fields, you can just click on really the checkboxes here. Let's say I'm going to add related contact and then deal type. Oh wait, since I've reached the maximum number of fields, I can really add other fields here. So I'm just going to select deal type here and then click on apply, and then it will show up here as you can see. Okay, so once that's done, you can just click on the three dots here and then click on rename. Then let's just name this as deal test, and then you can just select which you're going to share it with, and then you can just click on save and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.